morning, my dear students. It's me, Kamal Pope. Today it is the 15th day of virtual class. I am going to present myself here on behalf of Joint School Family. Today the topic is the Kathmandu Valley, and which is from page number 33 from your textbook. Kathmandu Valley. First of all, we have to be clear that what is valley? What do you mean by valley? Let's be clear about valley. Valley is the structure or formation of the land. Valley means the formation and structure of the land which is surrounded by mountain. Round it, okay, which is surrounded by mountain. The plain land which is surrounded by mountains, it is called valley. There are so many valleys in our country, just like Dang Valley, Suket Valley, etc. Pokhara also, it is one kind of valley. And here we are going to discuss about the Kathmandu Valley. This valley is surrounded by 4 mountains. These mountains are Phulchoki, Nagarjun, Chandragiri and Shivapuri. Okay, Phulchoki, Nagarjun, these are the name of the mountain which surround the valley all around. The Kathmandu Valley is at the height of 1,336 meter above the sea level. This is the height of the Kathmandu Valley. Above the sea level, and the area is 360 square kilometer. The area of this the area of Kathmandu Valley is 360 square kilometers, and the Kathmandu Valley is wonderful valley, very fascinating valley, okay, which is very beautiful, which is very big, okay. The natural structure of the valley is very wonderful. And now let's discuss about when this and how this valley came into existence. अस्तित्वमा कसरी आयो? How this valley formed? Okay, according to the Swayambhu Puran, the Saint Manjushri Mahatma. Okay, saint means Mahatma. The Saint Manjushri caught the hill to the south. Okay, south part, and the place is Chogar, and he caught the valley from there, and he let the water out, and the water flowed out, and this valley, it became suitable for inhabitants. Inhabitants means basubas ko lagi. Okay, it became suitable for inhabitant, and he hand over this valley. He hand over this valley to the people to live. And there is another story about this, about the origination of this valley. There is another story also. That is, Lord Sri Krishna caught the hill with his Sudarshan Chakra. Caught the hill with his Sudarshan Chakra, and water came out, and it became the suitable for inhabitants, and he handed over the people called Gopal dynasty. Okay, he handed the people to Gopal dynasty, and they began to rule in this valley. And after Gopal dynasty, then Kirati people, they ruled over this valley, and they ruled here several years. There, after Kirati people, then Lichhivi, the king of the Lichhivi dynasty, they ruled here, and after Lichhivi dynasty, then Malla kings ruled for several years in this valley, until King Prithviraj Shah he united the Nepal. Okay, he defeated the Kathmandu valley. Until that, Malla kings also ruled in this valley. Then Saha dynasty, they ruled in this valley. Not only in this valley, but Saha dynasty ruled the whole united Nepal. Here are some famous places. Here are some famous places in Kathmandu valley. They are Bodhanath Stupa, okay, which understand the Buddhism. Narayana Palace, Rani Pokhari, Kathmandu Darbar Square, Kumari Devi Temple, Buddha Nilkantha statue, Dakshin Kali Temple, Changunarayan Temple, Pashupatinath Temple, Swayambhunath Temple. Okay, these are very famous places of this valley. Now let's about UNESCO. Okay, first of all, be clear that what is UNESCO. Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Okay, the UNESCO also has listed some of these places in World Heritage Site. Okay, in World Heritage Site, they are Kathmandu Darbar Square, Patan Darbar Square, similarly Bhaktapur Darbar Square, and Pashupatinath Temple, Swayambhunath Temple, Changunarayan Temple. Okay, these are the places which have been listed by UNESCO in World Heritage Site. It means that it has given the very importance to these places. Okay. These are the wealth not only of our country, but these are the wealth of whole world. Okay, Sampurna Vishwa Sampada. Now let's how the culture and the art, okay, originated in this valley. First of all, we should be clear that the people living in this valley are Nevas. You know Nevas, and they are the originator or creators of the history and civilization of this valley. And they speak Nepal Bhasha. Okay, and later many people comes to this the valley for their better life, to seek job, to do business, and for other purpose. Now, the city of the Kathmandu, actually, the city of the Kathmandu, it has become the political, economical, and commercial hub of our country, and it is the headquarter of the headquarter or capital city of our country. Actually, Kathmandu Valley is a very modern city. Not only modern, also it is the combination. It is the mixture of the ancient, old, and modern culture and art. Okay. Culture, art, and tradition. So, as a whole, we can consider the Kathmandu Valley is the very rich and very fascinating, okay, wonderful combinations of whole things. Okay, dear students, I hope that you might have clearly understood about the Kathmandu Valley. To understand more clearly, you can read this the lesson, okay, again and again, and you will understand more things. Okay, I have described briefly about the Kathmandu Valley. Okay, dear students, this was for today. See you in next class. Thank you. Take care.